start this whole thing.
Hi guys, welcome to our video, and we're gonna be showing you these fun slimes we got. So she got a rich gold cream color.
Let me get mine started. I got a rich gold cream color. Like berry, it looked like poop. And I'm using her for my customer. Hi guys, I'm Cutie Pot. Shut your ugly bums up.
So like and subscribe, click that bell.
Oh, my name is Mackenzie, and call me Crazy KK.
Yeah, she's so crazy. So we've been activating slime with water.
And we just start with YouTube channels.
Yeah.
This is the first one. We making more tonight.
Yeah, tonight.
And you want to come up with how to make slime?
All you do is have to like and subscribe, click that bell, the notification, clearly y'all know that, and y'all get a prize. Y'all gonna get a free whole thing of unicorn slime.
Yep, and we will make it. I will actually make the pink and purple
and I'll make the whole rainbows.
Make sure y'all get that mess off the floor, baby. I see stuff right here.
You're
gonna have to mop this floor. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at my hand, guys. My hand look dookie. Oh, look at it. It's green in the camera.
So guys, yes, you heard us.
Mine's getting activated already. Don't see me. Can we move this?
What?
This?
Yeah, we done with that anyway.
No, I'm about to make more colors.
Oh,
yeah, shoot.
Then put it right there. Granny, 2 people stepped in this slime.
It's funny.
It was funny. They keep trying to go around it, but they keep stepping in it. But like
I just want you to talk this.
My slime, no.
Can I get some?
That's how much you're gonna use.
I give you some, Mom.
I'm good. You can have it.
No.
Okay, that's enough. Stop it! You're making it worse.
I'm sorry. Your slime is so bad. My slime is so. See, I just need a pencil. This.
You got a pencil right there.
Oh.
In front of you. That's yours. You got mine.
I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. So guys, I'm about to get this off with my tip of my pencil.
And there's no way.
We started making this so.
And my cousin Kennedy is being lazy. She's 12 years old.
And she's acting lazy, guys.
She finna be a teenager. All she do is go on Snapchat, Instagram, watch this girl YouTube. So,
yeah.
That's how we gonna be once we be a teenager.
Yeah, we will be like cool cousins and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We be cool. So we actually sisters,
but sometimes we act like we're cousins. So yes, baby. Oh, you see, I got kitty cat whiskers. I dipped my colored pencil in this water right here.
I don't got nothing. I got a heart right here. I scribble it in it. That stands for XX.
I'll be back.
All right, so you be back, guys. Dang, can I scoot yours over?
What? Why you touch it?
Because it was acting very too much over there. And I want mine to be by myself. And I want to fit through the camera too.
Okay, so here's my crazy gooey slime.
Yeah, it's too goody. Like,
I think I added too much water, and I'm adding water right now because my hands got... No.
Put lotion in it. Get more lotion. So I get some in here. That's mine. And this yours.
That's it.
So this is mine and this is yours. It don't matter which one is yours or mine.
Right, because they're both the same.
Same. They're both the same.
I think I added...
Mine's like petty
Be
now.
careful, there's so
It's
slime
stank. It's stank petty. Mine. Get in the camera. Get in the camera. Mine's not like.
Scoot over so.
I can't hold the camera right here. Like that. Yeah. But what I was about to say, we will show y'all. Follow
forget-
me on TikTok because one person
Follow us.
on Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. Or Snapchat. Which one?
No, we doing Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram.
Yeah.
So,
Don't follow Sinai. She a bad dancer. She be breaking stuff.
yeah, she broke her granny car keys, like the buttons.
Yeah, she's bad. I saw it before.
Yeah, did you see her car keys? She had to get new ones. So, if y'all see any videos of my sister by herself, don't put likes. If you see me with her, put likes because that's me. I'm better than her. I'm a better dancer.
Yeah, and Pit likes
And she's
ride
a
by
better
my.
dancer than her too.
Yeah, that's so sad. And she is 8 and I'm 7. She 8 or 7?
She's 8
Oh, she bigger than me. That's sad.
and she don't know how to dance. This is how she hit the folks.
What the heck is that? But I need to get this off my hands, so I'm about to like hurry up.
So after this video, we're gonna be doing lots of crazy things. Next, y'all see a sleepover video. So yeah.
Yeah, we having a sleepover right now.
So bye guys. Tell us in the comment if you like this.
This is a short video.
Alright. Wait, guys. One more thing. Well.
We're about to do a little bit more.
Oh yeah, we're gonna look at this squishy.
And look at this move. And look at this cute LOL.
Want to see her color change? Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, so I'm turning on the cold water. And like you see, she changes. So she changed this color and then in warm water. Just normal blonde. Oh, that's so sad. But yeah, we'll be selling LOLs.
She got only 3, but I got 0. And I'm getting some from her. And I never meet her mom, right? I never, like...
You never met.
You met my mom, but I didn't meet yours.
Oh, but guys,
We sisters, we just stepsisters. We never meet mom. She met my mom, but I didn't meet her mom yet.
okay, I'm finna give out my TikTok and my Snapchat account. So
And how about me?
yeah, our stuff. Okay, our TikTok is badbabylily92,
And mine is KK Cray Cray.
and our wait, you want me to switch your name and like we both have a picture of us?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. And my Snapchat is Dominique Trent, of course. My
And
mom,
my password is
Mama Cray Cray.
no,
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie Cray Cray because I'm Cray
And
Cray.
my Instagram is Bad Baby Lily. So check
And
it
my
out.
Instagram is Bad Little Cray Cray.
Yeah, let's go. So we'll see y'all on the next video.
Yo, see you tomorrow.
And y'all get a unicorn slime if you like.
Come on,
Subscribe.
look at mine. And mine's poopy. Get it
Hit
down.
that-
Get it down. Get it down. And then show my slime.
Hit that bell
Hey.
and you get the win. A unicorn.
200 million.
No,